When you forgive, you are releasing yourself from pain. It's not that you forgive just because you think that that person has done nothing wrong with you. You can forgive, but that doesn't necessarily mean that forgiving a person means that what she or he did was okay. You just want yourself to be free from the attachment that you have from the other person. Forgiving is a release. Forgiving is healing. When you are connected to an emotion which is damaging you, then your decisions, all your activities, all your emotions and thoughts currently will be affected by it. So if you want to detach or cut that energy, you have to forgive. When you forgive, you are in the act of acceptance. You are actually releasing and taking care of yourself. You want to be having peace. You want to have serenity. You want to have that calmness in you. So when you have this goodness, all the things that you do at the moment will also welcome good energies, and you'll be able to attract anything that you wish in your heart. If you do the opposite, then if you are still connected to that past, to that emotion, or to that person, you will be forever hurt. You will be forever affected by that negativity, and you will feel really low energy almost at all times.
Go.
You make mistakes. I do, because we all do make mistakes, and that makes us human. Now, the key to having peace within is for you to accept the fact that you have done something that's not totally perfect and that's totally acceptable in the past. So when you start accepting and when you start realizing that you cannot in any way be back in the same time and in the same place with the same people, then you just have a commitment to yourself that you are accepting it, acknowledging it, and take it as a lesson. Moving forward, you will be more cautious, you'll be more mindful, not to hurt yourself and not to do the same mistake all over again. Forgiving and letting go can happen at the same time, but you can always let go, not forgive. But when you forgive, it always happens that you already let go. Why and how? Well, simple. When you are forgiving, it means that you are taking that conscious act of allowing the release. You want to have calm. You have to have that inner peace. You want to be happy. You want to be joyful because you want to shift to a better and joyful life. So you forgive. And when you forgive, everything else doesn't matter anymore, because what you care about is how you feel. Now, when you let go, you are in the process of detachment. You detach from the emotion. You detach from the person. You detach yourself from the situation, which means I will never ever give time to this, and I will never allow my emotions to be affected by this. That's letting go. But do you necessarily forgive by doing that? No. You might be on the process of just letting this stay away from your mind, but still, the pain and emotion is still in your heart. So what's the best choice? Forgive. Because it comes a bonus. When you forgive, the letting go process also comes with it. Parents are humans. So aside from the fact that they were also young and an infant, a toddler, a kid, before they became your parent, then you should also be aware that they also have their own struggles. So if they really did something unconsciously and it made you feel traumatic or insecure or all those negative emotions growing up, then at this point in time, you are in a phase where you are able to accept and acknowledge. In general, parents would always want the best for their children. And if they do something which creates otherwise, then that is possibly because of their upbringing, of how they were also raised. So if your parents have done something which caused you pain, you have to start acknowledging it and forgiving them. I know it's going to be very difficult and challenging, but understand, they did it at the point and with all the resources available to them. It could be that they are like that because of their past experiences and they are unfortunate. They are unlucky. They are not like you, who are now in the process of awareness and more knowledgeable of how to do the healing. So they are stuck there. This is the reason why that they are hurt. And then they're subconsciously continuing the same treatment because that's how they feel. So they are unconsciously sharing, spreading this energy to you. So to heal from this, accept, acknowledge, and then forgive. Be in a phase where you understand that this is not their intention, it is just the way they handle things because of how they were brought up. So you're thinking of forgiving someone who has been repeatedly doing the same mistake. Well, I think that's not an issue of forgiving anymore. It's an issue or a question of your self-worth and self-love. When a person continuously hurt you, it's not the person's fault, it's yours. Why do you allow it? You have to protect yourself. So when you have forgiven that person or that situation, that means to say that you have claimed your inner peace, your calm. You chose that. You want to have that calmness, that inner peace, and that maturity. Now, if the person did it again, then you should not allow it. You have to have that boundary and then set yourself free. Do not allow yourself to be in the same moments again, that you have to again feel the hurt and then start all over again with your healing. It's very good to forgive. It's very good to consider other people, to be compassionate. But to keep accepting these hurtful things to happen to you, the same mistake from the same person all over again, is not worth it. It's no longer about forgiving, but a question on your self-worth and self-love.